Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn on the feature of pop-up notification for your WhatsApp application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download WhatsApp application on your device and log in with your account details. After that, again open the application, click on the three dots at the top right corner and from the menu go to settings. In this setting, scroll down, there you will see the option of notification. Simply click on it. In the notification section, then you will see an option of pop-up notification. But this feature is no longer available for the Android version of WhatsApp. Now, let's go to the setting of our device. Scroll down the notification bar, click on the setting at the top right corner, and now in your device setting, scroll below to click on notification and status bar. In this, you will see the option of either advanced setting or more setting. Once you click on it, you will see the option of bubbles. Simply enable that setting. Once this setting has been enabled, go back and in the setting itself, go to apps and click on app management. Search for WhatsApp application, click on the name and go to manage notification. Here, you simply need to toggle on the feature of bubble and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can enable the feature of pop-up notification for WhatsApp application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.